Welcome to a world where royalty meets modern elegance. Today we unveil a mansion dressed in deep purple and shimmering gold. Get ready to step into opulence as we take you through every inch of this architectural masterpiece. From the moment you lay eyes on this mansion, you know you're witnessing something extraordinary. The deep purple exterior instantly demands attention, contrasted beautifully by shimmering gold trims that catch the light in dazzling fashion. Two towering columns mark the grand entrance, wrapped in gold detailing that evokes old-world royalty with a modern twist. Custom iron gates open onto a sweeping circular driveway paved in natural stone, directing your gaze toward a central fountain that glows with golden lights at dusk. Elegant exterior lighting highlights every sculpted edge, while tall, arched windows offer glimpses of the grandeur inside. This mansion doesn't whisper sophistication. It declares it. The double doors are a masterpiece on their own, handcrafted in mahogany and finished with matte gold handles that gleam with every touch. Purple flowering vines subtly climb the exterior columns, blending nature with nobility. Above, the roofline features sharp peaks with gold-plated accents that glint under the sun. The symmetry, the colors, the sheer boldness of design, it all works together to create a front view that's nothing short of cinematic. Whether day or night, this facade is unforgettable. It's the kind of home you'd expect to find on the cover of a luxury living magazine, and it's only just beginning. From the back, the mansion opens up into a stunning blend of design and leisure, with multiple terraces and balconies all bathed in soft golden hues. Deep purple lounge furniture contrasts the golden railings, offering elegance even in the outdoor spaces. The main terrace stretches the entire length of the house, framed by sliding glass walls that connect the interior seamlessly to nature. A series of arched golden pillars support the upper balconies, mirroring the regal tone seen in the front. Ambient lighting casts a romantic glow in the evening, giving the rear view a dreamlike charm. Each balcony provides a different perspective of the estate grounds, some overlooking the pool, others the gardens. Tall glass doors and panoramic windows invite natural light into the mansion, creating a sense of openness and warmth. Sculptures and potted plants and gold leaf planters are tastefully arranged to add artistic flair. The architectural balance between function and finesse is striking. This back view feels like a private resort, carefully curated to impress, entertain, and relax. It's a testament to luxury living done right. The gardens surrounding the mansion are a living canvas of color, design, and serenity. Winding paths made of white marble snake through deep purple lavender fields and golden marigolds. Tall topiaries trimmed into elegant shapes flank each walkway, offering a sense of symmetry and structure. A central gazebo finished in gold leaf stands as a garden centerpiece, perfect for afternoon teas or evening reflections. Sculpted fountains bubble quietly, their water catching sunlight like liquid gold. Every flower bed is carefully layered with blooms that complement the mansion's color scheme. This isn't just landscaping. It's a curated natural experience. The air is filled with the scent of jasmine and roses, as butterflies and songbirds animate the scenery. Custom stone benches lined with velvet purple cushions are placed throughout the garden, offering scenic rest spots. Each section feels like a hidden room with its own atmosphere, some wild and overgrown, others geometric and clean. Discreet lighting turns the entire garden into a magical nighttime stroll. The garden was designed not only for beauty but for peaceful moments, artistic photography, and intimate celebrations. It's the heart of tranquility within the mansion's grandeur. The pool area is a slice of Mediterranean fantasy, reinvented in purple and gold. A sprawling infinity-edge pool reflects the mansion's backlit balconies and the stars above, while custom tiles and rich violet shimmer beneath the surface. The edges are lined with golden mosaic patterns that glint beautifully under both sun and ambient lighting. Lounge chairs upholstered in royal purple sit beneath curved gold pergolas, offering shaded luxury for guests. Two fire pits built into marble islands rise from the water, blending fire and water in perfect harmony. The entire scene is designed for both entertainment and indulgence. Next to the main pool is a heated spa tub with 24-karat gold jets, surrounded by flowering hedges for privacy. A swim-up bar adds a resort-style touch, with a full set of cocktail taps built into a gold-framed marble counter. Speakers hidden in the landscape provide a soft audio backdrop, jazz by day, chill house by night. The pool lights can be changed via app to glow purple, blue, or gold, creating mood-specific atmospheres. Whether the daytime party or a moonlit dip, this pool isn't just a feature, it's an event. Step inside, and the living room is nothing short of breathtaking. A double-height ceiling stretches overhead, with a custom gold chandelier shaped like cascading waves. Deep purple velvet sofas line the room, anchored by a black marble fireplace trimmed in antique gold. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, while silk drapes and soft plum frame the view like a painting. The walls are adorned with textured gold accent panels that add warmth and depth to the space. Every piece of furniture is designer, every finish refined to perfection. The layout is spacious yet intimate, perfect for both entertaining guests or enjoying quiet luxury. A baby grand piano, painted in deep purple lacquer, stands in one corner with its own spotlight. In the center, a golden glass coffee table holds hand-picked art books and crystal ornaments. Underfoot, a Persian rug in lilac, and gold unites the seating area. The balance between color, texture, and light creates an atmosphere that's welcoming yet regal. It's not just a room, it's an experience of elevated comfort. The lobby is a jaw-dropping statement of luxury. You're welcomed by a massive golden staircase that spirals upward like a sculpture, its railing engraved with floral designs. The floor beneath is polished Italian marble, inlaid with a radiant purple and gold medallion at the center. Above, the skylight allows natural light to pour in, reflecting off gold-tinted mirrors and glossy surfaces. Walls are lined with tall Corinthian columns in a brushed gold finish, adding to the classical grandeur. The scent of sandalwood lingers in the air from gold-detailed diffusers hidden discreetly around the space. Every corner of the grand entrance has been considered. An accent wall features gold leaf murals of mythical figures, while fresh orchids in purple and white bloom in tall vases. A designer console table supports a sculpture cast in gold, illuminated by recessed lighting from the ceiling. The architectural lines flow naturally from this space into the rest of the home, giving it the feeling of a gallery more than just a hallway. This lobby is not just a transition. It's a welcome into a dream. This kitchen isn't just built for cooking. It's crafted for culinary artistry and style. The cabinetry is custom-made in deep plum wood, finished with matte gold handles that glint under designer lighting. A massive central island is topped with violet veined quartz, edged in brushed gold, and features both a preparation sink and an induction cooktop. Hanging above it is a bespoke chandelier, mimicking clusters of golden grapes. Top-of-the-line appliances, all integrated and wrapped in custom paneling, blend seamlessly into the design. There's even a walk-in pantry concealed behind mirrored doors for a hidden, luxurious touch. On one wall, a sleek breakfast bar with 4 purple suede stools overlooks the garden. The backsplash is made entirely of polished amethyst stone, backlit to give the kitchen a warm, ambient glow. Every drawer opens with a soft glide, revealing golden interiors lined with velvet organizers. A wine fridge, espresso station, and concealed double ovens ensure function never compromises beauty. Even the faucet is gold-plated, standing tall over a black granite sink. This kitchen makes daily life feel like 5-star living. The dining hall is a scene from a royal banquet, where deep purple walls are paired with high, arched windows framed in golden velvet drapes. At the center sits a long, handcrafted dining table made from rare walnut wood, capable of seating 18 guests comfortably. Overhead, an opulent gold chandelier drops in tiers like a crystal waterfall, casting soft reflections across the polished floor. Custom dining chairs upholstered in violet silk surround the table, each featuring a golden emblem stitched onto the backrest. A matching sideboard lined with gold-rimmed crystal where completes the setting. Artwork with gilded frames decorates the walls, each piece thoughtfully chosen to complement the room's ambience. An inset ceiling mural, painted in soft hues of purple and gold, brings a classical touch to the space. Ambient lighting glows from within the crown molding, allowing for mood shifts during day and night events. The room feels majestic, yet intimate enough for special family dinners or private galas. With acoustics designed for both soft conversation and live music, this dining hall is a space where luxury and comfort blend effortlessly. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of plush textures and royal tones. The walls are covered in silk wallpaper in a muted lavender, bordered with thin gold inlays that shimmer subtly. A king-size bed with a tufted purple velvet headboard takes center stage, framed by floating golden nightstands on either side. Above, the ceiling features a gold-leaf dome with soft recessed lighting, giving the room a heavenly glow. Floor-to-ceiling drapes of crushed purple satin hang from golden rods, blocking light on demand or revealing a stunning balcony view. An electric fireplace in white marble warms the room, set beneath a mounted mirror TV framed in gold. Across from the bed, a sitting area with plush chairs and a designer coffee table creates the perfect corner for reading or late-night tea. A walkout balcony offers private access to morning light or evening stars. Every detail in this bedroom, from the embroidered pillows to the scent of lavender diffused in the air, invites comfort. This is more than a master suite. It's a personal retreat worthy of royalty. Step into a walk-in closet that rivals the finest boutiques in Paris. Walls of custom cabinetry finished in a rich matte purple surround the space, each section glowing with soft gold LED lighting. Open shelves showcase designer bags, velvet-lined drawers hold jewelry, and sliding panels reveal a rotating shoe carousel. At the center, a plush ottoman in violet velvet invites you to sit and admire your wardrobe. Above, a mini chandelier adds elegance to function, casting a sparkle across glass-front display cases. The closet also features full-length gold-framed mirrors, digital lockboxes for valuables, and a built-in vanity with Hollywood lighting. The layout is intuitive, with sections divided by use: formal wear, casual accessories, and evening gowns. Purple suede lining and golden accents make even the simplest items feel luxurious. There's even a hidden laundry chute and a separate dressing area, complete with its own smart screen for outfit previews. It's not just about storage here. It's about celebrating style every day. The master bathroom is a spa-like haven drenched in opulence. Gold-veined white marble covers every surface, from the floors to the walls and even the bathtub surround. A deep freestanding tub sits beneath an arched window, framed by sheer purple curtains that filter the morning sun. The twin vanities are finished in glossy plum lacquer, topped with golden fixtures and vessel sinks in hammered brass. A chandelier hangs gracefully above, casting a soft glow onto the gold mosaic ceiling tiles. The walk-in shower is a masterpiece of its own, enclosed in crystal-clear glass with smart controls and a rainfall head that glows with LED lighting. Gold fixtures contrast beautifully against the deep purple accent tiles inside the shower. Heated floors ensure year-round comfort, while a sound system plays ambient music through invisible speakers. Even the toilet area has been designed with luxury in mind, separated by frosted glass and featuring a gold-framed art piece above. This bathroom doesn't just pamper the senses, it elevates them. Welcome to the home theater, where cinema meets sophistication. Walls are draped in acoustic panels of deep purple suede, outlined with gold LED strips that run like veins across a room. Tiered seating offers 8 oversized recliners wrapped in plush velvet, each with its own built-in drink console. The ceiling mimics a starlit sky, twinkling with embedded fiber optics, while surround sound envelopes you like you're inside the film. A giant 4K projector screen drops down with the touch of a button. A small bar area at the back offers refreshments, with gold-rimmed glassware and shelves stocked with rare whiskeys and imported snacks. Golden wall sconces softly light the side aisles for midnight movie sessions. Blackout shades and thick carpeting ensure perfect sound insulation and total immersion. Whether at a blockbuster premiere or a Netflix binge, this theater delivers a luxury cinematic experience right at home. It's comfort, technology, and glamour wrapped into one unforgettable room. Last but not least, the garage is a showroom dressed in opulence. Polished epoxy floors reflect a glow from overhead pendant lights shaped like gold rings. Lined up like prize jewels are a collection of elite machines: Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, all painted in either deep purple, gold, or sleek matte black. Each car sits in its own lit bay, highlighted by subtle underglow lights that add a museum-like aura. This isn't just storage. It's a celebration of performance and style. There's a built-in workstation with brushed gold tool drawers, a tire care station, and even a small lounge area for guests to admire the cars. A custom hydraulic lift leads to an underground vault for vintage or high-value vehicles. Everything here is organized to perfection, balancing utility with visual drama. It's the final stroke in a mansion that spares no detail in pursuit of luxury. Every corner of this deep purple and gold palace tells a story of elegance, power, and passion. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury lifestyle showcases.